Welcome to a video that will show you how to create a pie chart using Google Sheets. We have a data table that's already created using categories and the number of times it's been counted. I click on the category and I click on the bottom right side and then I say Insert a Chart. It gives me a suggested one, but I could choose any of the 3 pie charts that are here. If I click on my Data tab, we can see that we can edit these just like any other graph. We're using column A as the labels, and so we can customize it. Here we can change the background colors, we can change the text, we can make it 3D, we could click on it and change it to maximize. But what we want to look at is another option, which is creating a hole. So we can put a hole and make it a donut graph. We can change the borders. Here we'll change it to black. We can say we want the values inside the pie, or we want the values in percentage in the pie, or we can click on none. We can change the axis titles as well. So here we'll change the chart title to number of animals seen, and we can change the text to whatever we would like. We can change the size of it, we can make it bold, we can make it italics, and we can change the alignment. Here we'll center it. We'll also change the text. Here we'll make it black. If I change the series, we can look at the pie colors. So in this case, we'll check on the tigers and we'll change the color to something different. Here we can label our legend, so we can have none. We can put it to the right, we can put it as labeled, or we can change it to whatever we would like in that category. We can make them italics. We can change the color. Those are all different options that you can do. Don't forget that we can turn around and click on the dots here and we can actually say Save Image. And this will download an image for us to be able to use in any documentation that we make. Best of luck on your pie charts.